Welcome to our channel Classfly Community. So today we will be dealing with the topic power in AC circuit. So see, in AC circuit there are three types of power. First is a active power, and active power is denoted by the letter P. Apparent power, the second is an apparent power, which is denoted with the letter S. Reactive power is the letter denoted with the Q. So before we move ahead with the powers, we need to do some assumptions. So let V is equal to the RMS value. RMS value means root means square value of the applied voltage. Okay. So see, active
and
power
I
is
the
also
current
known
flowing
as
for the AC
power
circuit,
or useful
and
power.
phi
Okay.
is the angle
So the
between
other
the
name
voltage
suggested for
and
active
the
power
current.
is true
Okay,
power.
now let's
or
move on
useful
with the
power.
first
And
one,
it
that
is
is
the
the
active
active
power which
power.
is developed in the circuit resistance. So it is developed in the circuit resistance. So the equation which we get for the active power is P is equal to VI cos phi. Okay, now see, cos phi is a power factor. So now let's move on to a power factor first, and then we will discuss the equation for that. So see, power factor is the cosine of angle between the voltage and the current phasor. So it can be the angle between the voltage and our current. So cos phi is at PF, that is a power factor. Now see, power factor is the ratio of the resistance to the impedance. We resistance write as R and impedance as Z. So cos phi, that is a power factor, can be written as R by Z. Power factor is the ratio of the active power to the apparent power. So cos phi is equal to the active power as well as an apparent power. Okay, so these three are the definitions of the power factor. So first definition is that it is the cosine angle between the current and the voltage. Second is it also ratio of the resistance and the impedance. Third, it is the ratio of the active and the apparent. Okay, now see, for resistance we know that V is equal to V naught sine omega t, right? And I is equal to I naught sine omega t. So here there is no phase difference. So our phi will be equal to 0, right? That means our power factor cos phi, which is cos 0, that means it will be 1. That means it is unity factor. That is, the power factor is unity. For inductance, it is V is equal to V naught sine omega t, right? And I is equal to I naught sine omega t minus phi by 2. So when we see the sine omega t for this and sine omega t for this, we see that the current is lagging from the voltage by 90 degree. So if so, see here the phase diagram will be that as there is no phase difference omega t, so it is omega t plus 0, this is also omega t plus 0. So the V is also in this direction and I is also in this direction. So the V is in this direction for the inductance, but the I is minus pi by 2. So my I is this one. So here my phi is minus pi by 2. So my cos phi will be, yes, cos minus pi by 2, that is 0. So here we will say that this is the unity and this will be the lagging, because I is lagging from the voltage by 90 degree. Now see the capacitance. V is equal to V naught sine omega t, right? And I is equal to I naught sine omega t plus pi by 2. So here my phi is pi by 2 and cos phi is cos pi by 2, that means 0. So here my voltage will be V and here it will be I. That means here it will be leading. That means the current will be leading from the voltage by 90 degree. So here that means the voltage will lag by 90 degree. So the power factor here known as leading, and it will be 0 for this one. Inductance also it will be 0, but it will be lagging, and for the resistance it will be unity as it is 1. So we have completed the power factor. Now let's move on to the active power. Now you know that cos phi is a power factor, and we also know that power factor is the ratio between the resistance and the impedance. So we can write that cos phi R by Z, and we know that V by Z is our I, right? So it will be I square R. So P is equal to I square R is the another equation for the active power, and P is equal to VI cos phi is the also the equation for the active power, and its unit is watt. Now let's move on to our apparent power. So see, apparent power, it is the product of the RMS value, and we have assumed the RMS value as V. So S is equal to V of the applied voltage and circuit current. So product of the RMS value, that is V, and I is a circuit current. So S is equal to VI, and its unit is volt ampere, and it is also known as wattless or idle power. And the third and the last power is reactive power. It is a power which is developed in the circuit reactor, and its equation is Q is equal to VI sin phi. And now we will be doing to get the sin phi value to X by Z. See, for resistance, my current is also flowing in this direction, my voltage is also flowing in this direction. And for inductance, my voltage will be leading by the current 90 degree. So this part I can join, and I can get it as my full voltage, that is V, and I can represent V is equal to Iz, right? And we know that VL is equal to IXL, right? And VR, we know that it is IR. So when I do this, I can write this as this triangle, that is this part will be my XL, right? XL means, you know, it is what? Inductive reactance, and Z is my impedance, and R is my resistance. So we know that sine is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So my perpendicular is X and my hypotenuse is Z. So I can write sin phi as X by Z. And when I do V by Z, that means this is my I, so it is I square X. So my unit is volt ampere reactive, that means watt. So I hope you all understood the topic power of the AC circuit. So till then, be happy and have a great day. Now is the code time. Time is the most valuable thing a man can spend. I think all of you understood today's lecture, and thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at Classfly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.